देखिए, इंडिगो को बड़े पैमाने पर फ्लाइट कैंसिलेशन और ऑपरेशनल कमियों को देखते हुए अब केंद्र सरकार लगातार कड़े कदम उठा रही है। इसी मामले में टाइम्स नेटवर्क की ग्रुप एडिटर नविका कुमार से खास बातचीत में केंद्रीय एविएशन मंत्री राम मोहन नायडू ने कहा कि ये एक्शन लगातार उठाए जाएंगे और ऐसी नजीर बनेंगे जो पूरे एविएशन इकोसिस्टम को ऐसा दोबारा स्थिति ना आए, उसके लिए काफी फायदेमंद साबित होगी। इस एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू में क्या कुछ कहा मंत्री ने, आइए उसका एक अहम हिस्सा आपको सुनाते हैं।
In the entire process, let me make one point very, very clear that we are not leaving Indigo at all.
What's the action you're going to take?
Very accountable.
I haven't seen, people haven't seen any action so far. What are you going to do?
We from the ministry have advised the regulator to cut down 10% of the operations.
That's not punishment enough.
10% of the operations in the prime routes. There are multiple things. This will act as a deterrent for them, also to encourage the competition and also to ensure the stability on operations. Second thing, we have also issued a show cause notice. We are thoroughly going into detail of the reply that has been given. Show cause notice to CEO of Indigo, CEO of Indigo. This has never been done. It has been done for the first time considering the incident. Third, we have also had a detailed inquiry which has been started. We have given them a stipulated time to work it out because we wanted to know exactly where all they have done the mistake and not only how we have approached to this situation. Why was it that those 2 days, third, fourth, where it peaked, why was it that third and fourth, they were not even able to manage this situation? Why were the passengers even if cancellations?
As we speak, 76 flights, arrivals and departures have been cancelled in Delhi alone today. And we are sitting on the 9th of December. You're saying it was a 2-day period where there were discomfort? No,
Navika
sir.
Ji,
it's been going on for 8 days.
Let me clarify certain things. Third, fourth is the time when the people didn't have any communication about the cancellations. We have cancellations today because Indigo is not able to run in its full operations. But whatever is being cancelled in due this thing with proper time, they have been communicated. Your flight is being cancelled. You can refund. You can get a refund or rebook. So all this activity is going on. But why specifically I am mentioning third and fourth? An airline which has been properly functioning for 20 odd years and suddenly it comes to the point that it's not able to communicate to its passengers.
इंडिगो मामले पर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने भी संज्ञान लिया है। पीएम ने कहा है कि नियम सुविधा के लिए बने हैं, ना कि लोगों को परेशान करने के लिए। इंडिगो मामले पर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने क्या कहा, इसकी पूरी जानकारी संसदीय कार्य मंत्री किरण रिजिजू ने मीडिया को दी है। आइए सुनते हैं।
भारत में जितने भी नागरिक हैं, सबको भारतवासी होने के नाते कोई सरकार से तकलीफ नहीं